Hello friends, I'm Reshab and I'm really happy to share this thing that I got my admission in Seneca College for International Business Management, and with due coordination and very good guidance from Careerline and with the all faculty members helped me a lot in cooperative. They are very much well organized and they helped me through all the stages and really helped me to get my visa very soon. Even this thing I should really share with you that I got my visa within 5 days. I applied on 4th of April and I got it on 9th April. Everything is well coordinated and the faculties over here are very much pleased to help and they really take a good care of you. So I really want you to consider Careerline for your future planning, and whatever you are planning, if you are planning to go abroad, you should consider Careerline for your any kind of consultancy you need, every kind of guidance you need, you should consider Careerline for your further experience. Thank you.